Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make gummy bear mini plushie. So I'm going to use a thick chenille yarn in the color of brown. And then for the hook, I'm going to use a 6mm hook. And this is the other materials that you will need for this video. So we are going to start with a magic ring. We're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first one and hook into the second one. Then we're gonna finish it with a chain. So that is a magic ring. For the first round, we're going to make 8 single crochet. So to make a single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. So that is a single crochet. As I said before, we have to make 8 single crochet for the first round. So now we have to make 7 more single crochet. We're going to pull the yarn to close the ring. And now we're going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make an increase. To make an increase, you have to make 2 single crochet in one stitch. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. Don't forget to mark the first stitch. And then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. And there is an increase. We're going to continue making increase until we reach the end of this round. We're going to continue into round 3. And for this round, we're going to make 3 single crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with 3 single crochet first. Then on the next stitch, we're going to make an increase. So that is the pattern for this round, 3 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. We're going to continue into the next round, and for round 4 and round 5, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. For round 6, we're going to make 3 single crochet and a decrease. So we're going to start with 3 single crochet first. Then for a decrease, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. and also into the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. So there is a decrease. We're going to continue with the pattern of 3 single crochet and a decrease until we reach the end of this round. Next, we're going to insert the safety eyes, and I'm placing it between round 4 and round 5. And we're going to continue into the next round, which is round 7. And for this round, we're going to make 3 single crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with 3 single crochet first. Then on the next stitch, we're going to make an increase. And that is the pattern for this round, 3 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of this round. Continue into the next round. For round 8 until round 11, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. So this is what it's going to look like so far. Now we're going to continue into the next round. And for this round, we're going to make 3 single crochet and a decrease. So we're going to start with 3 single crochet first. Then we're going to make a decrease next. And that is the pattern for this round, 3 single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of this round. Next, we're going to insert the stuffing. And we are going to continue into the last round. And for the last round, we're going to make decrease for the whole round. You can add more stuffing if you want. And once you are done, you can just cut the yarn. And we are going to close the little hole at the bottom of the bear. And to do that, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. And then we're going to pull the yarn through the loops. And we are going to do the same thing for the other stitches. Then once you're done, you can just pull the yarn really tight to close the hole. And you can weave in the end. Next, we're going to make the ears. And we are going to start with another magic ring. Next, we're going to make a single crochet. Then we're gonna continue with 2 half double crochet. So to make a half double crochet, we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn through, and there will be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. And there is a half double crochet. We're going to make another half double crochet. And then we're going to finish it with another single crochet. So that is the ear. We're going to pull the yarn to close the ring. Then we're going to cut the yarn off, but we're going to leave a long tail for sewing. And we are going to make 2 pieces. Next, we're going to make the hands and the legs. And we're going to start with another magic ring. Then for the first round, we're going to make 6 single crochet. Once you are done making 6 single crochet, you can pull the yarn to close the ring. And we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to fill each stitch with a single crochet. Also, if the hand or the leg look like this, you don't need to worry. You just need to flip it inside out, just like that. And we are actually done with the hands and the legs. You can just cut the yarn, but we are going to leave a long tail for sewing. And we are going to make 4. Next, we're going to attach the ears, and I'm placing it between the second, third, and fourth round. And there is one ear done. We're going to attach the other ear. And once you are done, you can secure the yarn and weave in the end. Next, we're going to sew the hands and the legs. And what I usually do is grab a needle and try to place the hands and the legs on the right position. This way it is easier for me to sew the hands and the legs symmetrically, or at least as symmetrical as I could be. And then once you're done setting them up, we can start sewing the hands and the legs. So we're going to insert the yarn into a needle. And if you look closely, the last stitch of the hand is actually higher than the very first stitch. And because of that, the hand doesn't have an even surface. And what I usually do is I'm going to insert the yarn into the very first stitch. So now the hand has an even surface and I think it is in better shape. This part is definitely optional, so if you are confused then you can just skip this part and start sewing the hands and the legs. So we are done with the first one. Now we're going to attach the other three. Once you're done attaching the hands and the legs, it's going to look like this. And now we're going to make the nose. I'm going to use a black yarn. Lastly, you can add a little bow for some detail. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!